So everybody's asleep, and so we're gonna start our working on our footage. Let me go get my water. Yep. All right, let's go into the office and let's begin, you guys. Everybody, my name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your channel, get more views, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any new content that's coming out. So Sunday, I was uploading a video. You know, my normal routine, you guys, that I go through Sundays and Wednesdays, is when I upload my videos. So while I was uploading my video, I get to the part after it's finished, loading, and it says end screen card. And I was like, what the hell? What is end screen? What is a card? How do I make it? Where do I make it? And I am like, I was like driving myself crazy, you guys. I mean, I'm literally to the point where I feel like I lost the little bit of hair I had left. I don't mean, you guys, I've seen an end screen before, but I didn't realize that's what they were. And, watching numerous videos before, I seen what end screen looked like, but I just never knew that's what they called them. It's enough to drive somebody crazy. But if you're determined and you're consistent and you're not willing to give up, and you can do it. So today I'm gonna walk you guys step by step on how to make a YouTube end screen. But if you want to be original and you want to make your own, and you want to add your own color, you want to add your own spice, you want to add your own flavor, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So you might be asking yourself, what does an end screen provide for my channel? And how is it going to help me? And is it going to work? You have all these questions just like I did. But let me explain how an end screen can help your channel grow, and also for you to get more viewers and more subscribers. Number one, you guys, it helps by directing your viewers who are watching your video to other videos that you have or playlists that you want to promote on your channel. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and go to the site, and we're going to work on creating an end screen for your YouTube video. Okay, so the site you want to go to, and I'll put it in the description also. Make sure you guys click the link and follow me if you guys want to do the tutorial at the same time as you're watching the video. Okay, the site is called SNAPPA, and let me go ahead and move my face out the way and let's work. All right, so here's the site. But before we go here, you guys, let me show you something else. You need to pick an end screen so you can follow, so you can stay within the line of YouTube guideline, okay? Because if you're outside those lines, you guys, then what happens is YouTube is not going to let you upload, those videos on these end screens for people to click on, okay? So we'll go to SNAPPA, and then here it is, SNAPPA. It's simple to use, and the dimension is 1920 by 1080. But if you're depending what your video is shot in, the resolution, then if it's 4K, then put the resolution in there, okay? And so if you guys want to go directly not putting this, you can always go here also. They have tons of end screens. You can click on them, and here's many end screens you can pick. So if you're new to YouTube, and this is a new YouTube channel and you only have 1 or 2 videos, you can just begin with one, you guys, and put your subscribe with your pictures on it, okay? But the way I'm going to show you is to build it the way I was taught, by putting 1920 by 1080 here, and then create. And here is where we're going to stay. This is the 1920 by 1080. So let me move my face out the way, and we're gonna go to background, upload, and I should have something uploaded already. So here is something I uploaded earlier. So we're gonna try to stay within these dotted lines. The elements have to be within these dotted line. If they're outside this dotted line, then YouTube is not going to let you save the videos on these elements. Okay, so to make our own end screen, you guys, we have to basically customize this to how we want it. So we want to go ahead and go to shapes and pick a square, and then put the square in here. Make sure it fills into these white box that's in here, but not outside the dotted line. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to go right here and duplicate the layer that we just put in here, so we can put it in here. And we're going to go ahead and put our subscribe button right here. And you can do this different way. Once you get the template to follow on, you can put this on top of this and make it any way you want. So go back to shape. We're going to get a circle. We're going to resize the circle. There we go. And we're going to put our text, whatever text they have here, or you can put whatever you want. You can say, you know, please leave a like and make sure you subscribe. And you can do this many different ways, you guys, okay? Let me just make sure this is... right there. I want to make sure it's covering all the line. The background, there we go. Okay, and then we're going to put our text here. So we're going to go up here to where it says text, and it's all going to be caps, you guys. We're going to stretch this out. We're going to increase the font. And you can make this as big or as little as you want. It's up to you. And you can increase the font on this to make it however big you want, and to say whatever you want it to say. And here is the subscribe. So we're going to hit text. I'm going to move this down here. You're going to put, this is going to be all cap also. And then we're going to decrease the font. So this is just an example I'm trying to show you guys because I have to do this really fast. Here's the text again for this. Let's lower the font. Oh, sorry. All right, let's lower the font. Okay, so, and then we can change the background, you guys. The background can be, let me show you. It can be patterns, colors. We can do photos of, depending what your channel is about and what the video is about. We can make the background this way. We can even change the color here. So make sure you guys, pick a background that, that fits your video and your channel. If you put cities, let's see. We can do that. And then you just basically change all these to, so that they're all seen. Just like that. And then you can change the color here also. Well, these are just placeholder, you guys. So, I'm just going to put a different color so you can see them. But once we have done that, then we are basically finished, and we can add arrows also. Let's see. Directing them to where to subscribe. Let me move my face out the way. There we go. And go like this. And then decrease the font on this. And we can change the color of that also. It's up to you to decide what color. See? And then when you're done, all you do is basically just hit download right up here. And you want to do PNG. So, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's downloaded. Let me move my face on here. Here you go. It's not, the greatest, because I'm not a graphic artist or whatever, but I'm just trying to show you that this can be done. And I did this in 12 minutes and 25 seconds. And all you do now is upload this into your YouTube, where it will be your placeholders of your video. and it's simple. And I'll make another video showing a tutorial how to add the links to your social media sites, and how to upload this, and how to put the videos on each of the elements right here, and how to put basically you know, put the subscribe button here. But this is simple. It didn't cost you anything. 12, actually we're at 13 minutes now. And if this has helped you in any way, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys share. And don't forget to subscribe. Smash on the subscribe button, and also smash on that bell right next to it so you're notified of new contents that are being put out. Okay. All right, you guys. Till next time. See ya.